You guys are finally going to meet one of my other besties. She decided to hop on a plane and move. Bro, sound the alarm. It looks like I have legit lashes, like. I lied, this is no regular milestone. This is a skinny mini milestone. A no scale victory. Hi Patties. So today's been a busy day. It's Mel's little birthday celebration. So fun fact, Melly baby loves like Italian food. So we're making like Italian food. Oh, the onion, Lord. Gnocchi and chicken alfredo. Fun fact, I don't even think that's like Italian. But yeah, I'm just like prepping everything now before she gets here, and we're making bruschetta and garlic bread. We got sausages. I'm making cupcakes, vanilla cupcakes with chocolate frosting because Mel's favorite cake was like a chocolate and vanilla mix. Oh, and then I went to Dollarama at the grocery stores. Oh, the table's done. Should we go show the baddies the table?
All right, guys, you're not gonna believe this, but we got. Ooh, table's all set up. Do you like it? Do you like it?
And then I also like bought this little wee, and then like this part too. Then we got a candle. We got a new blanket for the couch. Chippy, show them the fake flowers on the table.
There we go. We have the chase. We have the green blanket on there. We also here we have the cute pillows, and this is the candle. And we got this little basket to hold everything for the TV. And over here, this is the table with the flowers. Little vase. Very nice. Actually, it took all day yesterday to build this table and the chairs. And the chairs were the hard part. We were both struggling so bad on the chairs.
Also, Chip has this new voice going on right now. You're probably like, who is that behind the camera? I don't know, like ever since yesterday he's been like
I honestly don't know what happened. It just sort of gave out for no reason.
Your vocal cords gave out?
Yeah, like I wasn't yelling or anything. Maybe in my sleep or something.
I don't think you were yelling asleep, but yeah, everything's like pretty Gucci money. So we just have to wait for the birthday girl and Gapstar, and then we have a whole date. And no, we got a skirt for the Christmas tree.
Oh yeah.
I picked that up at Dollarama today. Ooh, show them the door.
Dollarama. There's a skirt. Skirt.
Oh, we got a cool thing on the door, so I'm just gonna show you the door.
It's a little surprise, so prepare to be surprised. Hey, check it out. Who's that?
Santa Claus. And we also like have a bunch of activities planned with Melly Baby, so stay tuned. I'll try to get as much as I can on camera, but if we're just like, enjoying each other's company, being the moment. Apologies in advance if I don't get a lot of content, but see y'all soon. I'm like trying to be speedy with Peterson.
See you later, guys.
There better be some ginger in that. Bruschetta, this garlic bread, Gabriella. Happy birthday, Melly!
And there's like a hint of a coconut taste, but there's no alcohol taste to it.
Yeah, it's concerning.
Dinner!
Hey guys, so you're probably like, girl, what does this girl have on? Well, for Melly's birthday, we made custom shirts for our trip in February, and we're all gonna wear it to the airport. I love being that annoying. However, period. Gabster was like, what size shirt should I get you? And I was like, the size I always get, which is a 4X, but We gotta readjust. You cannot see the full vision, girl. Yeah, I fear this shirt might be a little too big. Brr. It's giving like gang. It's giving, oh, I'm just wearing my boyfriend's shirt. Oh, cup like that. Period. I don't know. I feel like that's like low key, you know, milestone. Because the last time I bought a shirt like this, it was 4X, and it was a low key, high key type. Oh, in the back. Y'all see that? Has my face and jade on it. So I feel like I'm gonna crop it, you know, skin out. And then I think I'm gonna make the, like a off the shoulder, like, you know, like Leah Love Island vibes, like. But dinner was low-key really good. On the menu, we did sausage gnocchi, and then chicken alfredo, garlic bread and bruschetta, and then all these different drinks. Très good. I always feel so good when I leave my friends. But oh my god. You guys are finally going to meet one of my other besties. She decided to hop on a plane and move far away in a different province in Canada. But guess what? She's coming back and you're getting me here this weekend. So that's gonna be fun. But the birthday was good. I had to wake up really early and run downstairs because my mom brought me groceries. She's a robot. Like, she always buys me the good stuff. So like, she got me this big old thing of kombucha, girl. If you know, you know, that shit is like, feels like $1 billion. And this one is guava, and the other one was, this is guava goddess, and the other one is mango, no, mystic mango, like onions and some cheese and some carrots, and then she also made curry chicken and rice and gave me that too. Bon appetit. But this morning, Chippendales is so busy.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Very busy.
Oh, the voice is still here. Yeah. And he has this cute little linen pants that I got him for his birthday. Come on. He's a bad bitch. Fuck bitch. Period. We're making an eggnog latte, I guess, with an espresso. Angie's birthday gift will be my gift too. It's so good. Let me break in the camera, but I understand the hype through and through. That sound, girl. Oof. I dream about that sound. Cheers. For sure you're right on. For sure you're right on. Daddies, pose with me. Today I am seeing one of my BFFFFFFL. And to be honest, I don't think you've met her. I feel like you saw a glimpse of her during my driver's license vlog. But somebody special came all the way from, if you didn't know, that's Vancouver, back to Toronto. And she's coming over. We're gonna hang out, catch up, debrief, but then we're going to dinner at this like cute little Sicilian Italian place, which is so excited. However, it's -18 today. Call the police. But let me give you an OOTD. I was like, this 18 degrees is not gonna stop me. So I'm wearing this cardigan that I got from Old Navy. I'm trying to wear more colors because one thing I'm gonna buy is black. And then I started to dip my toe in excitement and started wearing red, and I was like, va-va-voom, va-va-voom, va-voom. Wow, I love it. But then I was like, let me get this green. And I'm wearing this brownie greeny skirt, and then pantyhose, ding ding. And then I'm gonna wear like white socks and then my loafers. You'll see the whole vibe. And then I decided to stack layers today. When I tell you, your girl dove off the deep end and wanted to be adventurous today, nowhere to lie. This J and this cute little circle gem one. Yay! Oh, and So one thing about me, if you haven't noticed, eyelashes give non-existent. And that's why I love an eyelash extension. However, it's $1 billion. And then you're like, wear falsies. I used to wear falsies every single day. High school that I mastered putting them on. Then I stopped and now I lost all my skills. So don't wear them. But this mascara, let me show you. Bro, sound the alarm. It looks like I have legit lashes. Like, not too much. They're a little spidery, but wow. And this mascara, girl, was $3.99 because it was my Sephora gift. So this is it. 10 out of 10 recommend for the babes with eyelashes non-existent. And I didn't even curl them. Hey.
I was like, this is cute.
Christina's here and she brought me a gift. Guys, tell her how pretty she is in the comments. She's nervous because it's her first guest appearance.
This is the first in the video.
Christina.
Okay, it's just a little souvenir.
Oh my god.
Board for your place.
Let's see.
Well, it is cold outside.
Yeah.
This is freezing. Like, this is so cute. So thank you for it.
ASMR.
Oh, thanks. Thank you so much. You picked good. So we were gonna go out to eat at this beautiful fancy restaurant, but it's too cold. So Christina said, nope. I lied. We made the decision together. So let's do a food haul.
I was like, hi.
We got, oh, this looks good too. This pizza.
Which one's that?
I don't know. Oh, Calabrese.
It's like pepperoni.
Yeah, it's buy one get one. So low key, I think we saved money. So we got 2 pizzas for the price of 1. We got a girl had fungi pasta, so mushroom pasta.
Whoa.
And then calamari. It's kind of like light skin. Oh, 2 mushroom pastas because it's like buy one get one. And then me and Christina, ooh.
Whoa.
Yeah, we got spaghetti. Well, no, rigatoni bolognese.
Okay. Try some rigatoni.
Okay, girl.
It smells very fishy.
I think it's a calamari.
Yeah.
Oh, this guy got flashed. Oh, now you're being so cute. Yeah. Say bye, baddies. Down below. Christina just left. Sad face, sad face. We hung out. We pretended to watch a movie because we just yapped the entire time, but we didn't end up going to the restaurant. We just ordered it because it was so cold. And let me tell you, like, the freaking heat, we have it set to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Like, it is negative 18 Celsius. I don't know what that it is in Fahrenheit, but Jiminy Timbers. So yeah, what should I do now? I'm definitely gonna wash off the makeup and then, yeah, let's just do that. Wildcats, get your head in the game. The reason I'm saying High School Musical references is because she was like, when we're saying bye, I started singing Gotta Go My Own Way, like Gabrielle and Troy. I gotta go my own way. She's like, bye. And I was like, what about us? So yeah, that probably made no sense at all. But Chippendales is currently out, living his city boy life. He went out for his drinks with his bestie cakes. So yeah, it's giving Home Alone. So let's take off this makeup. Go Wildcats. To be honest, like, I rarely wear a full face of makeup. Literally, one, because I just don't know how to do that. Unfortunately, I wasn't blessed with the skills like these other babes have. And then two, I don't leave the house. So if anything, I should just like do like spot conceal on that place that need a little bit more attention, a pickpocket. However, I did full face, but I realized the skin tint I have is a summer shade. So I blended it super low to my neck. So with that in mind, like, I have so much makeup to take off. I'll show you how dark the difference is. Hopefully it'll pick up on camera, but I fight the urge every time to not do that. My skin has been like super annoying lately, and I'm like, why? Why you do that? Why? Okay, but do you guys see the difference? Like, is it obvious? Like, she's black and she's white, they fight with makeup. What's another black and white song? Just beat it. No. Yeah, I think it's she's black and she's white, she fight. Do you see it? Anyways. Y'all, I literally thought there was W. I call ghost W's, but BTWs. In this place. I was spooked because I'm alone, because I kept hearing bzz, 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 and I was like, girl, what is that? And I realized, because Chip's office is right there, I was texting him, and every time I sent a text, he has two phones. I got two phones with a hollow, get it? Has two phones, and the notifications were going on that phone as well. And I was like, ow. Ow. No Duffy to be found. I feel like, correct me if I'm wrong, like, isn't micellar water supposed to not burn your eyes? Like, oh, I cannot believe my eyes. I cannot believe my eyes. Oh my god, like, I've been wiping it. Like, look at my hand. And wiping my fingers against my eye, and it's just like, help, I have done it again. Welcome back, y'all. I'm currently skin glazed like a donut. Glasses, spectacles on. I don't wear them often. Like, I wear them whenever I'm just kind of like, ooh, my head hurts. My eyes hurt. You know? Type of thing. Not like because I need them to function every day. However, I feel like it's, you know, like, schoolgirl. Oh, me and Sab were schoolgirls once for Halloween. Not the point, but so I'm currently sitting on the floor and like, but let me tell you guys, this is a milestone because like I never used to sit on the floor because I lied. This is no regular milestone. This is a skinny mini milestone, a no scale victory because I never used to sit on the floor because why the hell am I sitting on the floor? Because getting up, girl, getting up, these joints, like, no. Like, I wouldn't even risk it because it's giving injury, like, dead ass. Like, but now, because I petite, now my favorite petite activity is to sit on the floor, like, in between the couch. Like, this is such a vibe. Wow. But yeah, a huge milestone. I'm really happy for myself. At the end of the day, like, yeah, hee ha, I'm still cracking jokes, but this feels really sick to me. Now I'm able to do this. It's very legitness. But anyway, moving on. Christina laughed. I was like, wait, like, I don't think I ever give you guys the lore on our friendship. Like, we became best friends in grade 10 because we were in the same civics and careers class. Couldn't tell you what the fuck we learned in that class. couldn't. It was like one of those where like, you know those teachers that like, she was a lady teacher, but it was one of those where they like the popular boys, and it's kind of like subtle flirting but not with the popular boys. Like that's what that was. And I was like, girl, what are we on? But first day we're like, wait, we kind of know of each other. We didn't know of each other. We sat beside each other, and then we were inseparable. And then she decided that she wanted to go and break her leg, and because she broke her leg, the teacher was like, if you come late to like, class, like that's fine, because like crutches. Throwback to Tori Victorious Chicago in my crutches. Anyways, stay on task. But one thing about me, I was like always running late to that class, so I would catch her limping away to class, and I'd be like, oh, coming in with you. And I never got in trouble either, because I was helping Christina. But yeah, that's how we met. And then vibes. We went to several universities, but I visited her campus. And then then COVID, graduated university, and then she like ran away to Vancouver, which is like another province. So like in America, a state. So she just went to a different state, and it's like right beside Seattle, so better weather. So she was saying that as soon as she came to Toronto, like hit with -18, like she was like, my body's not made for this at all. And I was like, I believe you, because like could never. Nice to catch up with the squad always and reminisce on life, high school, all things. And like, I don't know, we're so different. Like when we're talking, it's like taken, like our lives are so different now versus like when we used to have couch talks. Like we both live away from our childhood homes, like careers, everything's just so different. But yeah, if you made it this far, drop a in the comments down below. And as always, I love you, baddies down. I'll be seeing y'all very soon. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and join the baddie gang. Baddie gang. Join gang.
Plug.
Gang. As always, I love you. And I'll be seeing you very soon.